What if the last candle of a strong bullish flagpole is a bearish Pinbar candle? Does that invalidate the pattern? I'll answer it like this. A bearish Pinbar at the top of the flagpole does not automatically invalidate a bullish flag, but it changes what you should expect next. So what does a flagpole actually represent? And in this pattern here, the flagpole is this structure here. And a bullish flagpole means that you have aggressive buyer imbalance. You will see the strong impulsive move, you will see the expansion candles, and there is little to no resistance. There is momentum dominance. The flag then forms because early buyers take profit and later buyers wait. And we have the flag looking like this. The question is, what does this pin bar actually mean at the top? A bearish pin bar signals rejection of higher prices, but rejection does not equal trend reversal. So the question becomes, is it profit taking or real selling pressure? There are two scenarios here. In the first scenario, the pin bar can be small relative to the flagpole. It can be visible after multiple strong bullish candles, and if that is happening, it does not break the structure. And then following the pin bar, you see a consolidation instead of a collapse. What has happened here is that early buyers have taken the profits and the market is cooling momentum. This often becomes the perfect flag start. And many textbooks flags actually begin with a rejection candle. Why? Because markets rarely move in straight lines. Now the second scenario that can happen, and this is a warning side, the pin bar becomes problematic if it is very large and it closes deep into the flagpole. So instead of being at the top of the flagpole, if this pin bar was located here and it stretched across multiple flagpole candles, that would be a warning sign. And that would mean that buyers did not pause, they lost control, and that would signal a momentum failure. But there is one key principle that you should consider when it comes to the flag pattern. Flags are validated by what happens after the candle and not by one candle itself. Beginner traders overfocus on single candles, while professionals watch order flow continuation. The key thing that you should focus on is, does price consolidate or does it collapse?